Want to know 10 simple ways to make cash quickly? Today we're going to uncover some exciting methods that could help you boost your income. Remember, these are not magic tricks or get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort, dedication, and a dash of creativity. From freelancing to selling unwanted items, or even starting your own blog, there are countless opportunities waiting for you to seize. So, are you ready to discover these 10 simple ways? Let's dive in. First up, consider freelance work. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about freelancing? Well, it's all about flexibility. With freelancing, you're the boss. You get to decide when you work, where you work, and most importantly, what you work on. Imagine, no more clocking in and out at set hours. No more spending countless hours on projects that don't interest you. Instead, you get to pick and choose projects that align with your skills and passions. But where do you find these freelance gigs? That's where online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr come into play. These platforms connect freelancers with potential clients, making it easy to find work that suits you. Now, it's worth noting that freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication and hard work. But with the right skills and a bit of perseverance, it can pay off. With talent and time, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Method number 2, completing online surveys. Picture this. You're simply browsing the internet and you get paid for it. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Companies are always on the lookout for consumer opinions to guide their business decisions. They are willing to pay for this valuable information, and that's where online surveys come into play. Here's how it works. You sign up on survey websites, answer questions about your shopping habits, preferences, and more. For each completed survey, you earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. It's that simple. This method doesn't require any special skills or qualifications. All you need is a little bit of time and a willingness to share your opinions. Remember, while it may not make you a millionaire overnight, it's an easy and fun way to make some extra money. Online surveys, a simple method to add some extra bucks to your wallet. Third, selling unwanted items. It's amazing how the stuff we no longer use or need can turn into a small gold mine. Think about that old guitar you never play, or those designer shoes you bought on a whim but never wore. These unwanted items could be exactly what someone else is searching for. And the best part, there are so many platforms you can use to sell these items. eBay, for instance, is a global marketplace that reaches millions of buyers every day. But if you prefer to sell locally, Facebook Marketplace is a great alternative. It's simple, easy to use, and you can arrange for pickup or delivery with your buyer directly. So, start rummaging through your closets and your garage. You might be surprised at how much you can earn from the things you no longer need. One man's trash is another man's treasure, as they say. Fourth on our list, renting out your space. Yes, you heard it right. Your unused space can be a gold mine. Think about it. That guest room that's collecting dust, or maybe that garage that's become a storage unit. Why not put them to work for you? Platforms like Airbnb have made it incredibly easy to rent out your space, whether it's a room, a house, or even a camping spot in your backyard. You can set your own rules, prices, and availability. It's a flexible way to make some extra cash on your own terms. And the best part? You don't have to do much. With a good listing and some basic maintenance, your space can earn you money while you sleep. So take a look around. That empty corner might just be your next paycheck. It's like finding treasure in your own home. Your spare room could be your next income source. Fifth, consider tutoring. Now, who said that the knowledge you acquired throughout your school years or in your professional life would only benefit you? Tutoring allows you to share your expertise in a subject and earn money while doing so. Think about it. Whether it's mathematics, history, a musical instrument, or even a foreign language, there are always people out there eager to learn. You can arrange one-on-one tutoring sessions, which not only provide a more personalized learning experience, but also tend to be more profitable. Alternatively, you can also sign up for online tutoring platforms. These platforms connect you with students worldwide, allowing you to teach from the comfort of your own home. And don't fret if you're no Einstein or Beethoven. Remember, even basic knowledge can be valuable to someone starting from scratch. Turn your knowledge into cash with tutoring. Sixth, participate in market research. Yes, you heard it right. Companies are willing to pay you for your opinions on their products or services. They value consumer insights as it helps them improve their offerings and stay competitive. And the best part, you can earn cash just by sharing your thoughts and preferences. Now, you might be wondering, how do you find these opportunities? Well, there are several online platforms that connect companies with potential survey participants. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindel Research are a few examples. You can sign up on these platforms, fill out some basic demographic information, and voila, you're eligible for surveys. These surveys vary in length and complexity, but the more detailed ones often offer higher rewards. So, whether you're sipping your morning coffee or waiting for a bus, you could be making money just by answering a few questions. Remember, your opinion matters and it can make you money. Seventh, pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, this method is not just about making money, it's about spending quality time with adorable furry friends. Pet sitting or dog walking can be a fun, rewarding, and a surprisingly lucrative way to earn extra cash. In today's fast-paced world, many pet parents struggle to find time for their four-legged companions. That's where you come in. By offering your services as a pet sitter or dog walker, you provide a much-needed service while also getting to enjoy the company of pets. You can start by reaching out to your own network, friends, family, neighbors. You'd be surprised how many people are in need of such services. Additionally, there are numerous online platforms that connect pet sitters with pet parents. Remember, trust and reliability are key in this business. Once you've built a good reputation, word-of-mouth referrals can significantly boost your clientele. Make money while spending time with adorable pets, a win-win. Eighth, food delivery. Now, we all know that food is a universal love language, and there's a way to turn that love into some quick cash. Joining a food delivery service like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or DoorDash can be a flexible and convenient way to earn money on your own terms. Think about it. You have the freedom to work when you want, where you want, and as much as you want. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, there's always someone somewhere craving their favorite meal, and you could be the one to deliver it. Plus, you can make use of your own vehicle or even a bicycle, making it a great gig for those who love to be on the move. And the best part, you're paid for each delivery you make, so the more you deliver, the more you earn. So, why not give it a shot? Deliver food, earn cash. It's as simple as that. Ninth, online coaching. In this digital age, sharing your expertise in a particular field can become a lucrative endeavor. Think about it. Everyone is good at something. Maybe you're a math whiz, a fitness guru, or even a master chef. Whatever your skill, there's a good chance someone out there wants to learn it. That's where you come in. Online coaching offers a platform for you to share your knowledge with others while also earning some extra cash. From one-on-one sessions to group webinars, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's all done from the comfort of your own home. Whether you choose to use a pre-existing platform or build your own website, you have the freedom to set your own rates and schedule. It's a win-win situation. You get to do what you love, and your students get to learn from the best. Share your expertise and earn money with online coaching. And lastly, start a blog or YouTube channel. There's a whole world out there waiting to hear what you have to say, and the best part is you can make money doing it. When you create content around a topic you're passionate about, you attract like-minded people who share your interests. This audience becomes your community, and this community can become the key to unlocking monetization opportunities. You see, when you have a dedicated following, advertisers want to get in front of your audience, and they're willing to pay for it. This can be through ad revenue or sponsorships. And it's not just about making money. It's about sharing your passion and inspiring others. It's about connecting with people around the world who share your interests. It's about creating something meaningful and valuable. So don't hold back. Share your passion with the world, and who knows, you might just turn it into a paycheck. Turn your passion into a paycheck with a blog or YouTube channel. So, there you have it. 10 simple ways to make cash quickly. From freelance work to online surveys, selling unwanted items to renting your space, tutoring, participating in market research, pet sitting, food delivery, online coaching, and starting a blog or YouTube channel. Each method offers a unique opportunity to boost your income. Remember, every method requires effort and consistency. So start today, and you might be surprised by how much you can earn.